going on, guys? Jaxx the Bearded Hiker here. We're going to be smoking up some prime beef short ribs, and we're going to be doing it on the Masterbuilt 560. Let's get going. So we got about 4.5 pounds of short ribs here. So we're just going to start trimming some of this harder fat deposits off before we season it here. It's not too bad. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's go on with some kosher salt. Make sure we get these edges in the back. Now let's go on with a little bit of black pepper. Now you could use a binder if you want. That's entirely up to you. I'm going to go pretty heavy on this black pepper because I like it. Just give that a little pat in. And we'll turn it over, do the sides and the back side. I am leaving the membrane on, by the way. Just kind of help hold this little joker together. Alright, we're just going to finish getting the sides, and we'll be ready to throw this on the smoker. Look at it. Woo, baby. Alright, let's put this joker on. Alright, so before we put this on, I'm going to tell you what I got my 560 set at is 275 degrees. Not sure how long it's going to take. Let's set it here. I got it on the, not the bottom rack here. I got it on the second rack. I'm going to put me a drip pan under there. And I got it bone side down. And I forgot to mention I'm using charcoal briquettes and hickory in the hopper and acacia wood in the ash pan. Alright, so it's been about 4 hours. We're just having a little peek here and not really checking the temp, just checking for tenderness. And I mean, it's going in pretty smooth, but I don't think we're quite there yet. We're looking at about it's probably going to take till it gets to somewhere around 200 degrees or so, I'm guessing, before it's done. We're at 189 now. I'm pretty tender, but I want to go a little bit longer. We'll check it again in about another hour. Alright, it's been exactly 5 hours and 45 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and remove this now. No wrapping at all. Alright, let's give her a wrap up here. Alright, so now that we got this all wrapped up, we're going to let it rest for 1 hour, and then we're going to cut into it and see how we did. Alright, let's, we've been resting an hour. Alright, so we're just going to cut down the bone. I'm going to cut right here. Oh, we're on the bone there. There we go. Alrighty. You know, not much of a smoke ring though. That's kind of disappointing. I'm lying. After cutting this up, we did get some smoke ring. Alright, let's give it a go. I'm just gonna go in right here. Oh man. That was a good good choice, just going with the salt and pepper rub, because the meat really stands out. It almost tastes like a brisket. Brisket on a bone. Alright, man, that's delicious. A little bit disappointing on the smoke ring. I don't know what was up with that. This is my first time, you know, smoking short ribs on the Masterbuilt 560, so I don't know, we'll see. Next up, maybe we'll do a brisket. So let's recap what we did. Basically, all we did, we didn't put any binder on this. We just did salt and pepper. We smoked it at 275 degrees. It took us 5.5 hours to get it probe tender all the way through like butter. We let it rest for 1 hour. We used acacia wood and hickory for our smoke, and also lumped or charcoal briquettes. All right, guys, smoked beef short ribs on your Masterbuilt 560 Gravity Series grill. Do it.